Hi friends, welcome to Jersey Gardening. We are gardening in Zone 6B. This is a begonia plant that I got from work. I'm going to rescue this plant. It was not watered for a few days. So I'm going to transplant this into this hanging basket. We can remove the dead leaves. We can loosen up the roots. Begonia likes bright indirect sunlight, consistent moisture, and regular pruning. Needs to be watered every day or every other day.